Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Wild Legacy. Today we're diving into something most people completely misunderstand about the Chinese evergreen. Most people think Chinese evergreen is just a slow-growing plant. You buy it, place it in a corner, water it once in a while, and months later it looks exactly the same. No new leaves, no real change. So naturally, you start thinking maybe this plant just grows slowly. But here's the truth that most people don't realize. This plant is not naturally slow. It's only growing as fast as your environment is allowing it to grow. In the right conditions, Chinese evergreen can grow quickly, push out new leaves regularly, and become full and bushy in a surprisingly short time. The problem is not the plant. The problem is the conditions. And today, you're going to learn 7 hidden tricks that remove those limits and completely change how this plant grows. Before we get into those tricks, there's one thing you need to understand: where this plant actually comes from. Chinese evergreen, also known as Aglaonema, naturally grows in tropical forests. That means it's used to warm temperatures, consistent moisture, filtered light, and humid air. It doesn't grow in dry rooms or dark corners. It doesn't deal with extreme conditions. So when you bring it into your home and treat it like a low-maintenance plant by ignoring its environment, it survives, but it doesn't thrive. And growth only happens when the plant feels comfortable. Everything we're going to talk about now is about recreating those natural conditions in a simple indoor way. Trick number 1. Give bright indirect light. The first and biggest mistake people make is with light. Most people hear that Chinese evergreen is a low-light plant, so they push it into the darkest corner of the room. And yes, it survives there. But surviving is not the same as growing. In low light, the plant goes into energy-saving mode. It slows everything down just to stay alive, which is why you don't see new leaves. But the moment you move it into bright, indirect light, everything changes. Suddenly, the plant has enough energy to grow. New leaves start appearing more often and they grow bigger and healthier. It's not magic, it's energy. More usable light means more energy, and more energy means faster growth. Trick number 2, maintain consistent watering. That's where many people unknowingly ruin that progress: watering. Some people water too much, keeping the soil constantly wet. Others forget completely and let the soil dry out fully. Both of these extremes stress the plant, and a stressed plant will always grow slower. The key here is consistency. Your plant doesn't need more water, it needs stable moisture. Let the top layer of soil dry slightly but not completely, and then water thoroughly. When the soil stays lightly moist, not soggy, not bone dry, the roots stay active. And active roots mean faster growth above the soil. Trick number 3, use a well-draining soil mix. But even perfect watering won't fix the next problem: soil. Most Chinese evergreens come in dense, compact soil that holds too much water and doesn't allow airflow. This creates a hidden issue underground. The roots can't breathe. And if the roots can't breathe, they can't grow. And if the roots don't grow, the plant doesn't grow. It's that simple. When you switch to a well-draining, airy soil mix, everything improves. The roots expand faster, they get more oxygen, and they absorb nutrients more efficiently. And when the root system becomes strong, the plant above the soil starts growing much faster. Trick number 4, feed regularly with balanced fertilizer. Now, let's talk about something many people completely ignore: feeding. You're expecting your plant to grow faster, but you're not giving it extra nutrients. That's like expecting someone to run faster without giving them food. Plants need fuel, and that fuel comes from nutrients. When you start feeding your plant regularly with a balanced fertilizer, growth becomes more consistent. New leaves don't appear randomly anymore. They start coming one after another. The key is not heavy feeding, but regular, light feeding. Because steady nutrients create steady growth. Trick number 5, keep it in warm temperatures. Another hidden factor that controls growth is temperature. This plant is tropical, which means it loves warmth. When temperatures drop, even slightly, the plant slows everything down. Growth becomes slower and new leaves take longer to appear. It's almost like the plant is waiting for better conditions. And the moment it feels warmth again, it responds. Growth speeds up. Because warmth signals that it's the right time to grow. Keeping your plant in a consistently warm environment helps maintain that steady, active growth. Trick number 6. Increase humidity levels. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated growth boosters, humidity. In its natural environment, this plant grows in humid air. But indoors, especially with fans or air conditioning, the air is often dry. And dry air limits how efficiently your plant can grow. Leaves don't expand properly and growth becomes weaker. But when humidity increases, even a little, you'll notice a difference. Leaves grow larger, growth becomes faster, and the plant looks healthier overall. This is why sometimes your plant grows better in certain seasons. It's not random, it's the humidity in the air. Trick number 7. Prune to encourage new growth. Now here's the trick that surprises almost everyone. Cutting your plant can actually make it grow faster. It sounds wrong, but it works. When you prune leggy or older stems, the plant redirects its energy. Instead of maintaining old growth, it focuses on producing new shoots, and those new shoots grow faster and stronger. The plant becomes bushier, fuller, and more active. Even propagation, taking cuttings, can stimulate growth hormones that encourage new development. So sometimes, faster growth doesn't come from doing more. It comes from cutting back. And finally, there are small habits that most people ignore, but they make a big difference over time. Dust on leaves blocks light and reduces photosynthesis. Keeping leaves clean helps the plant absorb more energy. Rotating the plant ensures even growth on all sides instead of leaning in one direction. And simply paying attention to your plant regularly helps you catch problems early. These small actions might seem minor, but together, they remove the tiny barriers that slow your plant down. Now here's the most important thing to understand. No single trick will magically make your plant grow 5 times faster on its own. But when you combine all of them, proper light, balanced watering, good soil, feeding, warmth, humidity, and pruning, the results are powerful. Your plant doesn't just survive anymore. It starts thriving. You'll see more leaves, faster growth, a fuller shape, and a healthier overall look. And suddenly, the same plant that once looked slow starts proving you wrong, because it was never slow to begin with. It was just waiting for the right conditions. And now you know exactly how to give it that. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and join the channel, because I share simple plant tips like this that actually work.